Now I introduce our hot silicon calculators to you. We have two sizes, one small size, one bigger size. Small size, the height is 13 cm. 13 cm. This one is bigger size. The height is 15 cm. 15 cm. The button was embossed. The blind man also could touch it. So unique. You could fold it. It is flexible. You could put it in your bag or pocket. So cute. The big one is the same. The back with magnet sheet, you could put it on fridge or other iron plate. Also, you could select without iron sheet. The cost would be cheap a little. It is 8 digital. 1 on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which one do you like? Please contact Yagi's company.